Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse from Toronto, Canada, back for my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. Before I start, I just wanted to greet all the mothers out there a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you for all your love and support. Especially shout out to my mom. Um, my teammates and I went to a seminar recently about where the geriatrician was the speaker, and he mentioned which was new to me, that the dementias, 50 to 90% of them are actually found to be preventable. 50 to 90%, and that's a very high percentage.
Welcome to Harry's Geriatric Nursing Insights, where we explore the heart of elderly care. Join us for stories, practical tips, and celebrate our dear elders and their caregivers.
50 to 90% of dementias could be prevented, and I couldn't help but think of the triple Ds again, because when he said what to do to prevent dementia, he said it starts from, basically, if you really want to be technical, it starts from life in the womb and as we grow older, basically taking care of the body the best way one could, because anything that's happening in the body eventually in the long run can contribute to the development of dementia. And remember, the triple D's: delirium, depression, dementia, especially in the older adults, the triple D's. If there's an unmanaged chronic disease, therefore something going on with the body, then they are at risk of developing delirium. And the thing with the triple D's, if one is in existence, it can put a burden on the other two D's that you do not have. Which was, I found it very interesting, but at the same time, it gave hope, especially to the audience in the seminar, because there were a lot of turnouts for the older adults in the community, for that community hospital. So remember, 50 to 90%, that's a very big percentage to be able to prevent developing dementia, even with the genetic predisposition. So make sure, again, triple D's, the thing is to identify things early in the triple D so you can reverse the reversible and manage the manageable. Make sure you look out for things, keep in constant connection with the older adults so you can see sometimes even very subtle changes can be missed because of this. So depression, the second D, was not discussed very much, and that's not uncommon again, because it's amongst the triple Ds, it's one that's often overlooked. But also always keep your mental health on check, and make sure you also prioritize it for you as a caregiver and the older adults, so that we can prevent the development of dementia. Because sometimes, especially with the usual losses, not just the loss of a loved one, but also loss of capabilities, independence, and things like this. So make sure you also watch out for that. And aside from starting medication, seeing a professional, your daily interaction is also very important. So also focus on that. Hello, it's Harry and wanting to greet all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day! Thank you for the love and all your support. Again, happy Mother's Day!